Okay, so here's the unit. It's the window. Go on that side like that. Frame's gonna go here. It's 12 high, 16 1/8 wide, and 39. That'll be the frame. All right, I got my numbers. 39, 16 1/8, leave a little room. 12 1/8, leave a little room. That'll make your frame. I'm using 2x2 posts. So I'm gonna measure out 3 16x8s and get the frame and then set them right there. All right. I'm gonna measure out 3 of these at 16 1/8. All right, now that I got them cut, just gonna set them. That's what the frame's gonna look like. AC unit's gonna go in here. Plexiglass is gonna go right here. All right. Just gonna do a little drill hole and throw a screw in. I'll do these first two, and then I'll size this out 12 inches, 12 1/8 inches right there. I put 2. I'm going 2 per wood. I kind of got them in there so they don't scratch the surface and dent it a little bit. Kind of important little piece here. A little vise, a little grip. Secure it. Drill 2 holes and screw 2 holes. I finish these 2 sides and I'll just flip it over. And repeat the process. Sorry. Okay. There's your frame. Let's see here. Cool. We'll see if it fits. A little feature I'm trying. I'm putting foam here along the window and up top. And that'll pad it when it's, I guess when it's shaking, but it'll insulate it too. So let's try it. Okay, ran into a problem. 16 1/8. I didn't count for this, so it won't fit. So what I did was I unscrewed these, and it'll pop it open a little. I'll slide it in. Actually, I'll put foam around it too. It gives me a good shot to do that. And once I do that, I'll secure it again. Pretty cool. All right, here's the next part. I measured 18 by 24, 18 by 23 1/4. So the 18 line, I'm just gonna double tape. I'm gonna cut it with a saw, and I'm gonna use a blade with 20 or more teeth. Okay. I'm gonna plexiglass. I'm gonna drill into the plexiglass 3 times with small, medium, and then large. And then that large drill will be enough to cover this little bump right there. If you screw it in too much, it's going to crack the plexiglass. That's all. Splinter. Okay. Final step was the plexiglass. Through some clear silicone. I went around the parameter and then put the plexiglass on. Kind of left it in there. Well, it was dark. You can see this or not. But... Alright, screwed it in. 7 screws. 1, 2, 3. I didn't screw one on the bottom because I didn't have room. So I just plexiglass, silicone, and pushed. Anyway, that's about it, man. There. Install. Plug it in. Max Cool. Let's try the low cool. Nice. Also, one thing I'm going to check, make sure it's a little off center, off level. That way the water drips out. But other than that, that's it. Installed.